Terry and Lydia here at the Street of Dreams in Oregon City. This is the 5th home in the show, built by Secor Homes, and it's called the Endgame. This one is surprisingly large at 5,130 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and sold for $2.5 million, we were told. As we tour this home together, I'll let you know that there are 7 of these big homes right here on this street. We're going to tour each one of them, so this is one of 7 videos that just is a highlight of each of the homes. It's fun to come through, see the floor plan, see the new types of technology and construction that they do, and the gadgets, fixtures, and furnishings. It's all interesting to see. We're here with some dear friends of ours today. We enjoy this event. We come every year. They pointed out to me this charging pad that was on the kitchen counter. We were able to charge 3 phones on it. Join us as we walk through the house and see what else we find. This patio, hot tub, and fireplace are right outside the primary bedroom, but we're also going to show you the interior entrance to the primary suite with the waterfall here. Now we'll head downstairs to the expansive lower level. That's where this home gets all the extra square feet, and I like the light shining up through the countertops here. Well, as we finish the tour here of this house in the lower level, you can see there's a lot to view here in person. It's definitely worth coming. They've got this huge room down here. They've got a weight room. They've got a sauna. If you get a chance, come on down and take a look. Otherwise, we've got videos of the other 6 homes right here on the channel. We've got videos about our cruise trips, our ship tours. How much did it cost for us to go 60 days on cruise ships? And videos about places to go here in the Pacific Northwest. Please check them out.